Welcome to the Career Pathway Channel, guiding nurses on the pathway to success.
Hello great nurses, welcome to the Career Pathway Channel, where we guide nurses on their pathway to success. I'm Nurse Stan and I'm your career coach. This is a short introductory video to my channel. Now, in this video, I wish to walk you through various sections of the YouTube channel where you will find helpful as a nurse. Whether you intend to be a nurse, you're an aspirant, or you are a first year student already, or perhaps you graduated and you are working as a nurse, or maybe you just want to grow. I want to hold your hand and walk you through your pathway to success. The purpose of this YouTube channel is to build a community of nurses where people from all walks of life share their knowledge. So I want you to know that this YouTube channel is a global channel. So feel free to share your thoughts. Feel free to share your ideas. Feel free to make the comment section lively. I promise to attend to very important comments that share knowledge. So there are various sections in this YouTube channel where you will find helpful. If you're a first year student and you just gained admission and you're looking for who to hold your hands and guide you through nursing school, the Nursing Career Pathway YouTube channel is there for you. So when you get the link, you follow the link, go to the YouTube channel, look for the playlist. The playlist aspect, you find various courses: anatomy, introduction to chemistry, introduction to anatomy 1, introduction to physics. Everything you find at the playlist section of the YouTube channel. So what you do, you just go to the playlist section of the YouTube channel, look for the course you are interested in, you just start with the courses. Now basically what you need to know is that in the playlist section, all you'll be doing for your first semester have been recorded. If you want to have a solid foundation for your first semester in nursing, the playlist section is a must watch. So every video in that playlist have been recorded based on the ND and HND curriculum for nurses. So basically it will be very helpful as you walk through your first semester. What you need to know is that every topic have been graded into modules. So basically if you will discuss 5 topics according to your curriculum, you have module 1 to module 5. So you just have to follow the sequence beginning from module 1 up through module 5. So basically that's for the playlist session, and it will be very helpful for every first year student. Lest I forget, at the end of every video, you will find possible examination question for your examination. So if you can't wait to the end of the video, just scroll to the end if you can, then you find helpful questions that you could see in your examination. Who knows, maybe they will come out exactly the way they are for your exams. Also, for the short session of the YouTube channel, it will be helpful. Maybe you're already working as a nurse at the clinicals. That short videos are to give you helpful tips how to improve your communication skill as a nurse, how to manage burnout as a nurse at the clinicals, and basically many other helpful tips for your clinical practices. Also, for students who are preparing for the NCLEX examination, you'll find various aspects of this YouTube channel very helpful for your NCLEX examination. I also want to reach out to students who are preparing for their council examination. You also find helpful tips in the YouTube channel. Now just navigate your area through and see how these areas help you. So I believe this YouTube channel will be helpful for every nurse, whether you are an aspirant or you are a first year student or you're working already as a nurse. What you need to do is just click on the subscribe button now, turn on the notification bell, and of course whenever we share videos such as this and other helpful tips for your nursing career, you will definitely get them delivered to you. I want to see you at the other side. Thank you once more. Cheerio.
The Career Pathway Channel, guiding nurses to success.